So we're working on the front porch here on the right hand corner as you're looking towards the house, and we did a little propping up to hold the artwork, architectural up there, and then we started removing floorboards, leaving some of them propped up, disconnecting the others which really weren't connected anyways. And you can see we still have more to remove, but we have to start adding to it so we can start getting some support before we start removing everything. So we'll be gradually removing some, putting support in. We had to do this corner. This corner was real bad here, and you can see the reason was because there was a downspout up here at one point. It came down the building. Well, it was disconnected, so it came down the building. It was supposed to go into there, but really it was just going wherever it wanted to. And it basically took out a lot of the mortar and the bricks. So I'm going to come back through and surface all this. And this, eventually we'll have stone here. And I had to take out some rotted wood here and replace it. And right now I'm going to put in a full 1x8 here, but this whole post attached to the house has to go up. And you can see it has to go up right here. So we're going to try to put it up a good 1/4 of an inch to 3/8, and then we can put our piece on here.